In this part of the video series where we're looking at an active volcano in northern Japan, we are also going to do a quick review of the present perfect. Now, what is the present perfect? Can you remember? Yes, the present perfect uses has or have plus the past participle. For example, I have been to Japan. Okay? I have, you have, she has, he has, it has, we have. So it does change a little bit depending on who we are talking about. We use the present perfect in quite a few different ways, but today we're going to look at using it for talking about experiences. When we introduce experiences, we're just interested in the experience. We're not including details. So we don't include the time, the date, or extra information about the experience. So when we talk about experiences we have had, we usually introduce them with the present perfect. So let's take a look at some examples from our volcano visit. We've done lots of activities. We've climbed Mount Annapuri, we've cycled around Lake Toya, we've hiked around Lake Kangetsu, we've done lots of walks around our local area, and we've done lots of skiing and snowboarding in Niseko too. So you might have noticed that all of these examples that we saw in the video are just introducing what the experience was. They don't say when the experience was, and they don't give extra information about that experience. Great! So a quick review today of the present perfect. I'll see you next time for more reviews of verb tenses, and don't forget that the final video in the series gives the full story of our visit to an active volcano in northern Japan. Okay, thanks for joining me today. See you next time. Bye!
スーザンと一緒に Let's Study English! Yay!